guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jessica, and if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I upload new videos 2 times a week here on my channel, and those videos include hair videos, makeup videos, lifestyle videos, food videos, pretty much anything under the sun you can find here on my channel, and I would love for you guys to join the family. Also, while you're down there, make sure to hit that little notification bell, because YouTube has been really weird and it sometimes doesn't send my videos out to you guys, so the only way to get notified of my videos sometimes is by clicking that little bell. But for today's video, it is finally another makeup video. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a new foundation tinted moisturizer thing. So if you guys are interested in makeup videos, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing down below, like I said, if you're not already. And I think that's all I have to say. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alrighty guys, so the only thing I have on right now is brows and a little bit of concealer to carve them out and some mascara, but I have on no face makeup at the moment. My skin is doing pretty well right now, which I'm really excited about. But for today, I am going to be reviewing the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. It is non-comedogenic. I can't say that word ever, so I probably said it wrong, but we're just going to move on. So I have mine in the shade Cinnamon Mahogany. It says it provides a fresh face look, evens out skin tone, provides seamless coverage, breathable, weightless formula, skin looks luminous, does not streak, and provides up to 8-hour wear. So I think that this would be really good if you are like in school or for like a regular work day, because usually for school and stuff, like you don't want to have like a full face of foundation on. At least I don't. So we're just going to unwrap this and see the color. I did test out the color in the store, so it looked pretty good. I did get a little bit of a tan though, so we'll see how it works out. It doesn't say how to apply it though, which is funny. Yeah, it doesn't say how to apply it, so I guess you just pop it on your face. So I'm going to prime one side of my face using the Catrice Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. I just picked this up at Ulta. This is one of my favorite primers. It just leaves your skin feeling really, really good. And it helps control shine. I put way too much because I forgot I'm not doing my whole face. So that's awkward. I'm just going to put that right there. Okay. So I'm doing the left side of my face, your right, I guess. So I'm just going to massage that in. But how are you guys doing? I know I missed a week of uploading, but I was just so busy with life and stuff, and yeah, but I am back and better than ever. So we just blended that into our skin. It's also really hot here in New York now. It's like the hazy hot days of summer, which is not my favorite, but here we are. And I'm also going to go ahead and prime my face with the Wet n Wild Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water, just because I do this with all of my foundations, because if I don't, then I get a little bit cakey throughout the day. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this all over. That feels so good. If you guys don't use primer water before your foundation, I highly suggest it. It just makes everything look so fresh and so nice, and it just makes everything just not get cakey throughout the day, especially in the summertime. Like, everybody's like sweating and hot. The products on your face are just not settling the way that they really should, so a primer water really, really helps. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the foundation, the tinted skin veil, if you will. So I put it on my hand, and you can't really even see where I put it because it was just like really, really blend it out nicely. So I'm going to use one side with the brush. This is the e.l.f. Foundation blurring brush. So I'm just going to put like a dollop, I guess. So I put like a little dollop on it. And I'm just going to tap that on and blend it out, I guess. I mean, like, this isn't a foundation. Oh, it did cover. I had a pimple on my chin. It did cover that. Okay, okay. But I think, like I said, these things are perfect for summer, where like you just want like a little bit of a glow and a little bit of coverage, like if you're going to like a pool party or something like that, or going out with friends for the day and you don't want to put on like a full face of makeup. I think that these kinds of products are perfect for that. When I was checking out, oh, I also bought this at Ulta, by the way, and it is $13, but I had points, so I actually only got this for 54 cents, which is so funny, guys. When she said I had points to use, I was like, oh, okay. I had $17.50 worth of points, so it was amazing. It was honestly amazing. Guys, I'm obsessed with this. I'm already obsessed with it. Like, you can see this side just looks like a little bit more coverage, just like a little bit healthier. Oh my god, I love this so much, and I really like it with a brush too. So far with a brush, it's really, really nice. Let me get a little bit closer to my mirror here, if you guys can still see me. Yeah. Wow, it looks so good. Let me see if I can get a little bit extra coverage on my pimple down here. It was just that time of the month, so pimples are still in full effect right now. Make sure to blend your neck, guys, because you don't want to look like you have a mask on. And blend into your ear. I think this looks amazing, guys. It looks so good. Let me go ahead and do the other side with my sponge. This is just the e.l.f. Beauty Sponge, one of my favorites as well. I just put a dollop on my sponge like I did with the brush, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend this out as well. I had a little bit of redness on my cheeks. My cheeks are just always red no matter what I do, especially after just waking up, and I just woke up a few minutes ago. So I really like it with a sponge too. Oh my goodness. A sponge, I feel like, is a little bit less coverage, if that makes sense, like as per usual, because the sponge always sucks up more products, I feel. But I feel like it's a perfect match for my skin too. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm like patting all over my face now, but make sure to get those ears, especially when you're wearing your hair up. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at, do you see what I see? Is it just me, or does this look like really, really good? NYX, you might have just did something with this, let me tell you. Okay, so that's it applied to both sides. What do you guys think? Does it look good? I think it looks so natural, so glowy, so pretty. Let me just get a little bit more on this side. I might wear this for my graduation party, guys, because I was thinking about like what kind of makeup I want to wear for my graduation and my graduation party, because my graduation is August 10th, so I'm just like, it's gonna be hot, but it's inside, thank God, because if it was outside, your girl would have been going with like maybe some lashes and some brows and calling it a day, because I sweat through my face like all the time. Like, my face does not hold product very well because I just sweat so much. But oh my god, guys. I love this. I love this so much. Oh my goodness. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see a little bit more up close on what I'm looking at right now because it's amazing. Okay guys, so I zoomed in and as you guys can see, it literally just looks like my skin. Like it doesn't look like I have foundation on at all. Oh my god, my eye itches. I'm so sorry. But it literally looks like I don't have anything on my face right now. It looks so natural, so glowy, so hydrated for summertime. I'm obsessed with this, guys. First impression, 10 out of 10. As you guys can see, I have a pimple right here. It's covering it, but I'm definitely going to have to probably go over it with concealer if I want it to be like concealed. But like I said, this isn't a foundation, so I'm not expecting like super crazy high coverage from it because it's not a foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be back to share with you guys my initial thoughts on application and see how it settles into my skin. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's really simple, just like my basic everyday look. Nothing crazy, just put on some bronzer, blush, highlight. I did put on a little bit of concealer under my eyes and powdered, and that's really it. I did use a powder just because I was putting on the bronzer and the highlight and stuff and I didn't want it to skip, but it feels so good, guys. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my face, but it looks like I have like foundation on. Like it really does. Like it looks like my skin is just like perfect this way. But right now it is currently 9:24 in the morning, 9:25 now. So I'm going to wear this throughout the day. It does say 8-hour wear, so 8 hours from now. It's like a 4-hour day. I mean, it's till 5. A 4-hour day. A regular like work day. So I'm gonna wear this throughout my day. I have errands to run. I will check in with you guys while out in natural light so you guys can see what it looks like there as well. But yeah, I am so far really loving this, guys. I have not found something like this that I have loved this much in the first impression in a very long time, and I am so excited. So let's go ahead and go throughout our day. I'll check in with you guys in probably a few hours for me, but just a second for you. Hey guys, it is currently like 12:15, so I've had this foundation on for around like 3 hours or so. Also, if you can hear my dog, he's here with me. But I just wanted to show you guys what the foundation is looking like. It is looking so good. My mom has complimented my makeup 2 times today, and you know when your mom compliments you, like you look really good, because moms, you know, sometimes they don't be liking what I be wearing. So, but this is what the foundation is looking like. It's really hot today, so I am starting to sweat a little bit, but it doesn't even like look like it, you know what I mean? And I did set it down with powder, of course, but it looks so good, you guys. I think this is gonna be like my new summer foundation. And it's not even a foundation, it's a skin veil. So it's looking super good. I am so happy with how it's looking. And if this is how it's looking 3 hours in, I can't imagine what it's gonna look like 6 hours in, because it looks so good right now. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys, show you a little bit of what's going on. As you guys can see, my nose is a little sweaty, my chin is a little sweaty, but other than that, I think we're looking super duper good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this check-in, and I will check in with you guys probably in another 3 hours or so. Hi guys, I am back. It is currently, where's my phone? It is currently, what time is it? 5:52 p.m. So I wore this until 6 o'clock. I checked in with you guys earlier at around 11:30 or so. So this is how the foundation is looking. I do look pretty shiny, but I mean nothing crazy at all. I had my face look way worse at the end of the day than this, and this doesn't even look bad. So my skin is just oily in my T-zone. I just have really oily skin naturally. No matter what primer I use, no matter what powder I use, I'm a shine by the end of the day no matter what, especially when it's hot and humid outside like it is today. It's like 90 degrees outside here in New York and humid as heck. And I've been running around doing errands all day, but I think that my skin looks amazing. I mentioned in the check-in that my mom said that my makeup looked really, really good today, and I have to agree. It looks so good. I am definitely going to be wearing this tinted skin veil for my graduation and my graduation party. If you guys would like a video on my graduation makeup as well as my graduation party makeup, definitely just let me know down below and I can totally do that for you guys. I wanted to also mention that this is not a full fluid ounce, so if that bothers you or whatever, it's 0.91 fluid ounces, and usually foundation comes in like, you know, 1 ounce varieties, whether in a glass bottle or a tube like this. But like I said, it's not a foundation, so I feel like you're not going to be using this like a foundation. If you want a foundation, use a foundation, you know what I mean? But I think that this is so, so good, and like I said earlier, I have the shade Cinnamon Mahogany, and it works perfect for my skin, even though I do have a little bit of a tan. As you guys can see, like, this is my natural color, and like, this is my tan color. I haven't like laid out or anything, literally just being in the sun, I have gained so much color this summer already. But yeah, this looks so good. I am so, so happy with it. I would suggest this for all different skin types because it didn't look really dry on my face at the beginning at all. And I didn't set my face with a setting spray or anything like that because I wanted to just see how the foundation wore on its own. I don't see really a difference between the prime side and the not prime side. I think if you want to use a primer, that's awesome, but if you don't, I don't think you have to. It did wear off a little bit on my cheek, but that always happens to me because I lay my hand on my cheek like this throughout the day, and that really doesn't bother me because I do it like consciously. Like, I'm like, oh, I have foundation on, but whatever. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with this product. I am definitely going to be using this a lot this summer. I'm so excited for it, honestly. But if you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already, to look forward to new videos every single week. And also make sure while you're down there to hit that little notification bell because it will notify you every single time I upload, which is 2 times a week. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you in my next video very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.